Welcome back. It's Dre here, the Forex King, back again with another one. I appreciate you guys for showing up. I appreciate you guys for watching my channel. So I'm getting right into it. So if you watched my last video, you saw that I lost $158, which was devastating considering the amount of momentum it took me to get to where I was. But it is what it is. It's just part of the journey. So you may remember that I posted that video and I posted the losses. My broker actually changed platforms. So instead of the MT4, they're actually using Tick Trader, and honestly, I don't like it at all. But I mean, the only thing guaranteed in life is change. So you might see me flip through back and forth between MT4 and Tick Trader, but it's really the same thing. It's the same broker, the same emblem. As you can see right here, the emblem is still the same here. It's still me. So nothing's changed, just the platform itself. You see the market still moving up and down, and you can see the balance of this current account. So I'm not trying to be motivational. I'm not trying to be spiritual. Well, I mean, King, keep intentionally leading God, so I'm a little spiritual. But I'm not trying to sell a pitch. I just truly, truly believe that my time is here. I believe that I'm at a point now where I can put everything together and really start to string together that which I really want in terms of elevating to the next level and stop fluctuating from this 200, 400 type situation. I think I'm about to really eclipse and start surpassing levels now. And I just really believe it. So I'm just going to really focus in on my plan and my strategy. I noticed that a lot of my losses have come when I was emotional and when I wasn't disciplined and I really didn't stick to my plan. That's really what it was. And I noticed that even in November, when I started trading in August up until November, I had the most profitable days trading than I had since I've started in August, which to me is a testimony for me. That's a great thing to be proud of, because while I may have had big losses on certain days, the overall volume of days that I've traded, I've been profitable on those days versus the days where I traded and had losses. So I really had 4 losing days and 9 days where I traded and I was positive. That's obviously weekends, all that stuff included. So 9 days that I traded, I was profitable that day. 4 days I traded, I had losses, but those losses were so big that it kind of overshadows the days where I was winning. So I just need to limit the volume of losses. And what does that do? Reduce the emotions, reduce the feelings. Just read the markets and stick to the plan. If I stick to the plan, kill my emotions, then I'll be good. I'm not gambling. If I was gambling, this would be a different situation. So I need you guys to understand, you're not gambling. You're traders. So if you have a plan, stick to the plan. Good, bad, or the ugly. No trader is 100% profitable. No trader trades at 100% win rate. So your goal is to maximize your wins and minimize your losses. And you minimize your losses by trying to kill your emotions and just really sticking true to the plan. If you back tested and you know your plan works and your plan is true, stick to it. It's really that simple. And that's what I'm going to do. I'm really going to hone in on my discipline, hone in on my patience. So I'm really not going to look to trade every single day now. Now I'm really going to be very intentional with the days that I'm trading and the entry points that I pick so I can maximize my profits and really get to the next level. I know I'm an experienced trader because I've done it before. So it's not a matter of if I can do it. You can't scalp the market and then not be successful in terms of what you're trying to do. You can scalp and lose and constantly lose, but if you've been successful, if you've seen thousands of dollars in your bank account, you're successful. It's just that you're trading the USD with a small account, so it's obviously a bigger challenge. But with every challenge, there's also a bigger victory at the end, so that's why I'm so excited to push through and make it happen. I allow the garbage and the minutia of trading the indices kind of mess with me a little bit, thinking, okay, the indices are harder to trade than the Forex peers. I'm just going to delete all that. So I'm deleting all the garbage on my head and just focusing on winning. All right. So it's really just my patience and discipline. That's what really needs the biggest work. And that's why I'm so excited. I know my strategies work. I know I'm a good trader. I know I'm documented. So if I don't like something, I'm just not going to trade it, period. And I'm just going to just focus in on what I know that I know I can do. Point blank. So I'm not holding this video too much longer because I just wanted to make sure that I stay consistent. Still post the video, still post my journey. So I'll let you know I didn't go anywhere. Just because I had a huge loss doesn't mean I disappeared. So I showed, because I had to change platforms, I had to transfer the money. But I do want to show you guys that I did trade the last 2 days, and just to kind of show you. So I traded on Friday, right, which was Friday, and well, Thursday. Today's Friday. I traded yesterday. Pretty good day. So you can see that the balance after I lost $100. That's pretty much what I transferred over. Well, I put $100 on top of what I lost. So I was really down to 123. I put $100 so I can stay at the $200 mark. I did 3 quick scalps, got in, got out, and then today, you see over here on the right, 2 quick scalps. I made $9. And if you just want to just check the platform itself, you can see the trade history. It lines up with the $9 that I made over here in this screenshot here. So everything's lining up. I'm back 2 days consecutively winning. So I'm just going to back up on the trend, stay true to myself. I saw this trend today very quickly, just to kind of sum up today before I end the video. I saw this trend, but I just wasn't comfortable with doing it. I really honestly wasn't comfortable getting in this trade, specifically because there was a lot of fake outs and rejections and fake rejection periods, and I just didn't know when the market would pull back. And because I'm scalping, I said, all right, I don't feel comfortable doing it, and I think that's the biggest thing for me. So I need to trust myself. Yes, my strategies work, but also trust yourself. Listen to your instincts. And I said, you know what? Yeah, it went up, but with so much opportunities in the US 30, there's no lack of opportunity. So yeah, my videos might slow down because I'm going to be very intentional, but I'm expecting to be extremely victorious, and I can't wait to see what happens at the end of December. So I got in. Once it got to the top, because I knew at some point the market was going to get exhausted, and that's kind of what I was betting on when I saw some of these fake outs. I was expecting the market. Well, it was obvious that the market was getting exhausted until they put this last strong momentum bullish candle, but it was just another fake. I was just the last push to go to the top before they got exhausted completely, and the bears just came into the market. So I saw the drop. I was just waiting for a solid confirmation, and this candle was my confirmation. So I got in. Actually, I got in this candle here also, and then I got in on this candle. Made those 2 quick scalps, and then I just ended the day, and I said, you know what, I don't trust where the market is going. You can see where the market ended up being, so I stopped about an hour ago, so you can see where the market is now. But I saw this level right here if you can do hindsight. Let me push this up. So up here, when I was in this candle right here, no, I'm sorry. When I was in this candle, let me see. Boom. 394. I was in this candle. Yeah. So it was in this candle. It pulled back a little bit. So you know what? Let me just take the money because I don't like what's going on. And then no, I'm lying. It was this candle. So this candle is my confirmation candle. I got in this candle right here. I got in this candle and it dropped down and then it pulled back. I said, all right, it's pulling back too much. Let me get out. And I'm glad I did because the next candle was another bull candle, and I said, all right, I'm glad I pulled out. But then I saw this momentum candle. I said, all right, let me get in one more time. So I got in again on this candle, but I noticed that it was hovering at this level and it wasn't pushing through. And because of the last 2 candles, I said, there's something here at this level, and for some reason it's not pushing through, and I just don't trust it. So I got out. I took the $5 on this candle, and I said, you know what? I'm just going to end it for the day because obviously the biggest move has already occurred. It's the US 30. At that time it was 140, 130-ish. I'm just going to end it for the day. Just call it what it is. There'll be better opportunities, and I'm glad I did that because as you can see what happened moving forward, any trade at this point, had I gotten in after this candle, if I stayed in, it probably would have took me out the money. So that's why I'm so emphatic on trusting yourself, because you never know what the market is going to do. Sometimes it might push through, sometimes it won't. But trust yourself, because at the end of the day, the instinct, I think, is really in your benefit. The market makers don't care about you. All right. So again, just wanted to get this video back up, let you guys know I didn't quit. I'm still here. Yeah, I lost big, but I'm also going to win bigger. All right. So thank you again, Forex King. Remember, you're all kings, all the ladies to you're all queens, but the king is really an acronym. Keep intentionally needing God. I believe Forex brought I believe God brought Forex into my life, and I believe it may have brought it into you. So whatever your goals are, whatever your dreams are, whatever your ambitions are, go after, because Forex is that vehicle that can make it happen for you. Stay true. I'll see you on the next video. Take care. We'll talk soon. Peace out.